We'll start with the dry roasting the masalas. So we'll add red chilies, fennel seeds, black peppercorn, some coriander seeds, some cumin seeds. We'll dry roast them till you get a fragrant smell, just for a few minutes. It's almost done. It's done. We'll switch off the gas. We'll remove it aside and cool for some time and grind it to a nice powder. We'll start with the masala. Let's add some ghee to the pan. We'll allow the ghee to heat a little. The ghee is heated up. We'll add some red chilies, coriander seeds, some cumin seeds. Roast them a little. Tomatoes now. We'll cook them till they get a little soft. It'll take a few minutes. We'll add some salt meanwhile. This will help the tomatoes to cook faster. We'll allow them to cook for a while. Keep stirring occasionally. See, they are done almost. We'll be adding some garlic cloves to it. And some ginger juliennes. We'll stir and cook it for a while, few minutes. Some red chilies now. Kashmiri red chilli. And this is a roast masala. We have taken around 1 tablespoon of same. Stir it again nicely. Lovely aroma. Cook it for a few minutes. We'll add some diced onions to it, diced capsicum, and some diced tomatoes. We'll stir it nicely, coat it with the masala. Don't allow the vegetables to cook more, they have to be little crunchier side. Now we'll add the paneer. Stir them well into the masala, but very gently. Make sure the paneer does not break. At this stage, you may check the seasoning, check the salt. If required, you may add a little. We'll add some Kasuri Methi. Some Garam masala. Chopped fresh coriander. Stir it again. It's done. Your Kadai Paneer is ready to serve.